Right now, across many parts of Asia, the sky feels like it has forgotten how to stop. Roads are turning into rivers, cars are disappearing underwater, mountains are sliding, flights are getting delayed, cities are flooding within hours, and people are asking the same question: why is it raining so much this August? At first, the answer sounds simple. It is monsoon season. Every year, warm, moist air moves in from the oceans, clouds build up, and many Asian countries receive a huge part of their yearly rainfall in just a few months. For countries like India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, the Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, China, Japan, and South Korea, this season is not unusual. Rain is expected, but what feels different now is not just that it is raining, it is how it is raining. Instead of steady rainfall spread across days, many places are seeing intense bursts. A few hours of rain can flood roads. One night of rain can trigger landslides. A storm that looks weaker on wind speed can still carry enough water to drown entire towns. So what is happening? Think of the atmosphere like a sponge. When the air is cooler, it can hold a certain amount of water. But when the air gets warmer, that sponge becomes bigger. It can hold more moisture. And when the right weather system arrives, that extra moisture can fall all at once. That is why a warmer world does not simply mean more hot days, it also means heavier rain when rain systems form. Now add the Asian monsoon to this. The monsoon is already one of the most powerful rain systems on Earth. It pulls moisture from warm oceans and pushes it over land. But when ocean temperatures are higher and the air contains more water vapor, the monsoon can become more intense in certain places. Not everywhere at the same time, not evenly, but in sudden, extreme pockets. One city may be flooding while another region is still waiting for rain. That is what makes modern monsoon seasons so confusing. It is not just more rain everywhere, it is more unstable rain, more uneven rain, more extreme rain. Then there are low pressure systems. These are like giant atmospheric engines. When a low pressure area forms over warm ocean or land, air rises, clouds grow, and rain becomes stronger. If that system moves quickly, the rain passes, but if it slows down or gets stuck, the same region keeps getting hit again and again. This is when rainfall becomes dangerous. The ground becomes saturated, rivers rise, drains overflow, hillsides weaken, and suddenly, rain is no longer just weather. It becomes a disaster. Typhoons and tropical storms add another layer. East and Southeast Asia often deal with tropical cyclones during this season. Even when a typhoon weakens, after landfall, it can still carry a massive amount of moisture, so the wind may reduce, but the rain can continue. That is why some storms become most dangerous, not because of their speed, but because of the water they bring inland. But nature is only half the story. The other half is human. Many Asian cities have grown very fast. Concrete has replaced soil. Roads have replaced wetlands. Buildings have covered natural drainage paths. So when heavy rain falls, water has nowhere to go. It cannot sink into the ground. It cannot spread into wetlands. It rushes into roads, underpasses, basements, railway lines, and low-lying neighborhoods. A rainstorm that might have been manageable 50 years ago can become urban flooding today. In mountain regions, the risk is different. Heavy rain falls on steep slopes. The soil loosens, rocks shift, and landslides can happen suddenly, especially where forests have been removed or roads have cut into hillsides. So when we ask, why is it raining so much? The real answer has many layers. It is the monsoon, it is warmer oceans, it is warmer air holding more moisture, it is low pressure systems, it is typhoons carrying rain inland, it is cities built faster than drainage systems, it is hillsides becoming weaker under repeated rainfall, and it is climate change loading the atmosphere with more water and energy. This does not mean every single rainstorm is caused by climate change. Weather has always had natural variation. Some years are wetter, some years are drier, but climate change is changing the background conditions. It is like adding more fuel to a system that already existed. The monsoon was always powerful. Now, in many places, it has more moisture to work with, and that is why August rain can feel more sudden, more intense, and more destructive. The scary part is that this is not just about 1 month. This is a preview of a future many countries will have to prepare for. Better drainage, smarter city planning, early warning systems, protected wetlands, stronger flood maps, safer mountain roads, and more serious climate action. Because the question is no longer just, will it rain? The question is, when it rains, can our cities survive it? So why is it raining so much in Asian countries this August? Because Asia is sitting at the meeting point of warm oceans, powerful monsoons, tropical storms, crowded cities, mountains, and a warming atmosphere. The rain is not falling from nowhere. It is coming from a system we have always lived with. But now that system is becoming more extreme. And the real challenge is not just understanding the rain, it is learning how to live in a world where the rain can change faster than our cities can handle.